Anyways, so today I went to PHCC, and I still wonder why I settled for it. Because if I begged my parents enough, I'm sure I could have went away somewhere for college, because PHCC has to be the worst college I've ever attended. The first time I actually went to PHCC, we went on a ghetto tour with a girl that goes to the school, and then we were taken to the game room, and where these men who were like 30, 35 years old were playing Yu-Gi-Oh with their cards and how to transform, and they're like, let me trade my Pokemon 3000 for your Charmander Fireball. I'm like, okay, why am I going to college here? What made me decide to go to college there? Because I really would like to know. And then today, I got a letter in the mail. Actually, yesterday I got a letter in the mail. And it said that our fees are due by August 10th. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'll go to PHCC tomorrow and I'll figure it all out, because I have Florida prepaid. So I get there, and I'm by myself, by the way, and I sign in, and I check off to talk to a faculty advisor, because that's what I thought I had to do. So I'm sitting there, and 2 hours and 30 minutes pass by, and come to find out that I didn't even need to talk to a faculty advisor, and I could have been out of there in 15 minutes, because all I had to do was talk to someone for financial aid. So that was a great experience. It was awesome. And while I was there, I saw two girls who were wearing the same shirt and pants. I also saw a guy who had a shirt that said Jamaica on it, and this like this hat thing that had like yellow, green, and red on it. And he was like, where do I sign up for classes at? Like, you're a little late, don't you think? You're a little late for that, buddy, okay? And come to find out, I hate PHCC. At this point, there's nothing I can do about it because I've already paid for my classes. But if I could, I would have went away for college, because it's horrible. And when you're driving out there, you feel like you're driving into middle of the country, which I like the country, but it's like nothing around you. There's no food for miles. Like, what am I going to do for lunch when I'm there? Because I'm there for like, I don't know, 5 hours, 4 hours a day. What am I going to do? I don't know. Well, that was my experience, so, I mean, it's probably not even that funny, but, yeah, I just really wish I would have went away for college. But I'm going to beg my parents, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, that was my story. See you later.